kwento niya sa akin, bigla na lang daw siyang nasa step 3. Wala na yung step 1, step 2. Binigla na. Ngayon, he wants to come back to step 1 today. I repeat, he wants to come back to step 1 today. Please welcome Mr. Mark Javier.
Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamonds that glow, seems to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair,
First time in my life, first time in their life na nakakita na ganito. Siguro, hindi natin maratagalin. Kasi simula na tayo sa step 3. So, gusto kong ipakita sa'yo, paramdam sa'yo, kung anong feeling ng step 1. Then, step 2. And then, balik tayo sa step 3. Then, step by step na tayo. Ganun lang. I want to say, I love you. Hey, Mary.
you give life to what I do. All those years may see you through, still I'll be waiting here for you.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumulong, sumuporta. Lalo na po sa ating kapitan, si Dr. Balvin. Siya po nagbigay sa akin ng lakas na loob at bumigay para gawin at ituloy itong binabalak ito. Gusto kong po salamatan din po si Mr. Ong. Sir Ong. Sir Ong. Alam ko po na kayo nagbigay sa akin ng break para makasabay dito sa parko. Malaking salamat po, tinanggap niyo po ako.